In this how-to video for Brivo Access, we will demonstrate how to create badge templates for use with physical credentials. Under the Users menu, select the Badge Templates link to display your list of badge templates. To create a new badge template, select the blue Create Badge Template button. To view or edit an existing template, select the link for that badge template, or use the View link on the right-hand side of the table. Inside the badge editor, you will see a preview of your badge. This serves as the canvas on which you will create your badge template. On the right-hand side of the window, you will see an information pane displaying all of the key aspects of your badge. You will use Badge Setup to control the orientation, background color, and other aspects of the front and back of your badge. To add new elements to the badge, select the Add Text and Images tab. This drag and drop interface allows you to add elements such as user's name and photo, as well as static elements such as text or logo images. To add an element to the badge, simply drag and drop the desired field onto the badge. Many of your badge elements will have options such as location and size, as well as controls such as font face, font style, and other aspects of this field. You can change any element using either the information pane on the right or by dragging and dropping with your mouse. When you have completed your badge template, use the blue Save Template button to lock in your changes and make the badge template available for printing. For more information, please visit us at brivo.com or contact your Brivo sales representative.